Focus is one of the most powerful tools you can use to achieve your goals. When you focus, you direct your energy and attention toward what matters most. This helps you avoid distractions and move steadily toward your desired outcome. Without focus, it is easy to get lost in many tasks, ideas, or problems. This often leads to wasted time and energy. When you focus, you create clarity about your priorities. You know exactly what needs to be done and you spend your time doing it. Focus helps you work smarter, not just harder. By concentrating on one task at a time, you increase your efficiency and quality of work. Multitasking may seem useful, but it often reduces productivity and slows progress. To develop strong focus, start by setting clear and specific goals. Break large goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and easier to follow. Next, remove distractions from your environment. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and create a quiet workspace. When your surroundings support focus, you are more likely to stay on track. Another important habit is to manage your time wisely. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. Work for a set time, then take a short break. This keeps your mind fresh and focused for longer periods. Remember, focus is like a muscle. The more you practice it, the stronger it becomes. When you face challenges or distractions, remind yourself of your main goal. This helps you stay motivated and committed. Finally, celebrate your progress. Each small step forward is a success. Recognizing your achievements boosts your confidence and encourages continued focus. In summary, focus is the key to turning dreams into reality. It helps you organize your efforts, reduce distractions, and work efficiently. By focusing on your goals every day, you build momentum and move closer to success. Start today. Choose one goal. Focus your energy and attention on it. Watch how your life changes with the power of focus.